All right, Rob Frazier here, trying to crank this video out before all the dogs and everyone starts barking. So, my daily income goal created by TJ Holloway. He just recently added the My Brand Builder VIP suite to the product line. So basically, and he has a number of awesome trainings in here. But the biggest thing I wanted to share is that I use these tools on a daily basis. So first off, the training TJ actually goes into very valuable. This lesson I actually learned a lot. I need to go back and watch it again. But it also starts talking about how AI is starting to take a lot of jobs, even with some of the things I do offline, Uber and Lyft and things. Everyone's looking at these automated cars, and you go into McDonald's and you don't even have people working. Just a lot of stuff is going on. So basically, he kind of breaks that down, and he shares a lot of this in some of the training here. But also, this My Brand Builder business suite, you have all of these AI tools. I use the realistic AI images bot, the AI video bot on a daily basis. I have other videos. There's a Craigslist ad copy bot. There's basically so many different tools back here you can use to automate your business, to get out of creative ruts, the whole thing. And I use these tools, like I said, on a daily basis. One thing I want to share, I gotta go let my dog down. She jumps over the back fence and then she barks her head off. And I let her down, and then 5 minutes later she runs back up there again. So if you hear her barking, that's why she's barking. So she's gonna wait until I do this dang video. But basically, my daily income goal, it has 4 or 5 different levels. Actually, 4. They have you can join for free and get the project instant pay course. Basic membership 27, Go Pros 127 one time, and the agency level, which is what I'm talking about, 300 plus 197, so 497 one time, and you have this for life. And you also have all of these tools for life. And if you ask me, it's 100% worth it. Even just the AI video bot, you can create a Faceless YouTube channel from that tool. You do have to buy credits, but like for I think it's like $7, you get like enough to do 20 or 30 videos, which is like enough. I mean, I think that's highly worth it compared to some of the amounts you're going to be spending on some of these other faceless AI generators. But you get AI images, eye-popping ads. They have. I'm going to be creating a boot camp to teach people how to use these bots and how to use them to promote your business. So stay tuned. Golden hooks, benefits copywriting, objection copywriting. Basically, I take a website of something else I'm promoting, dunk it in here, and it'll spit out hooks, it'll spit out benefits, it'll spit out objections, and from all of that, you can easily create emails. It's just everything is here that you would want. So no matter what it is you're promoting online, I highly, highly, highly recommend getting this. And this is going to be literally my primary focus. Everything else I'm promoting is still going to be promoted after this in a line. But this right here, highly, highly worth it in my opinion. Again, it's all under my daily income goal. It's a very simple system. Like I said, it has all of those different levels, the free, the 27, the 127, and the 497. 497 agency level gets you access to all of these tools for life. Come on, you can't go wrong with that. And every single day he's like adding new stuff back here. So any which way, wrapping this video up, gonna go let my annoying dog back down in the pool area so she can stop barking. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.